What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check plagiarism in Grammarly. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Grammarly and then you will see the first official website of Grammarly. Just click on that website, and if you are new to Grammarly, just simply sign in with your email, or if you already have previously visited Grammarly or you already have an account on Grammarly, you can just simply log in with that account and then you will be able to access this homepage. Now, after coming to the homepage, if you have some demo document, you can access that. If you don't, you can just simply click on new document and then create your own new document. Now, for example, I have this example document, or you can say just demo document. So now, as you can see, this document is of 52 words, and here I can edit this document. This also reviews and suggests me what is my mistake and how much clarity, correctness, engagement, and the delivery of words. Now, if I want to write the content from AI, I can just simply click on Write with Generative AI, and then here I'll give it a command to write content for me, and it will write me some content that I want. But now for AI text and plagiarism check, when you click here, you will see the option of getting a pro version of plagiarism and AI text from Grammarly. You can take this pro version, and as you can see, here are the plans that you can buy if you want your paid plagiarism check directly from Grammarly. But if you want a free plagiarism check, just simply click on this puzzle-like icon known as extensions, or if you are in your Chrome browser, on your right side, click on three dots and you will see this extensions option over here, and you can visit web store from here. Now, after visiting web store, just simply type plagiarism checker, and you will see this third extension of plagiarism checker. Just click on this and then just simply add it to your desired browser. After adding it to your desired browser, you will see the option of add extensions. Click on that and the extension will be added. Now you can just simply select this text, and then after selecting you will see the option of plagiarism check. Just simply click on it and it will check the plagiarism of your content. So this is how you can check plagiarism in Grammarly or anywhere you want. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.